Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? It's time for the final countdown. The show starts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Royal Family Official BGM and Wayak Philippines.
Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Welcome to the Wayak Apps community. And welcome to the monstrous celebration of the royal family in Wayak Apps Community, Philippines, created on April 21, 2025. The royal family saying, believe that the royal family are a focus of patriotism, loyalty, affection, and esteem. This is a rare combination and we would highly value it. Value it. Wayak Apps community, let's all welcome the officers and the members. Starting with Owner Nicole. Nag-iwan ng kasabihang, hanap mo ba'y seryoso? Alam mo bang bahay ko? Puntahan mo lang ako. Rar. Co-owner Raya. Nag-iwan ng kasabihang, away batiman tayo, ikaw pa rin ang ulan ng buhay ko. Secretary Tupakin, naniniwala sa kasabihang masamang magtanim ng galit sa kapwa, pero mas masamang magtanim ng bata sa hindi mo jowa. Treasurer DJ Wena, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang kay DJ Wena, huwag kang padalos-dalos lumapit, baka kagating ko ang hotdog mo. Rar. Auditor Zane Chan, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang okay lang magkape kasi malayo naman ang aking kapeling. Editor Lando, naniniwala sa kasabihang ang tunay na lalaki gumagawa ng paraan, hindi puro dahilan. Head Admin Abby, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang pangit man ako sa inyong paningin, nakakabutis din. Admin JC, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang huwag kang maghinayang sa taong nang iwan kasi siya dapat yung manghihinayang sa iyo. Admin Justin, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang tibo man ng iyong paningin, ito'y nagmamahal ang tapat din. Rar. Admin Keso, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang keso man ako sa inyong paningin, masasarapan kayo pag ako'y kinain. Admin Shin, naniniwala sa kasabihang mahalin mo lang ako ng sapat, mamahalin din kita ng tapat.
Só que a profissão das minas é...
Admin Chan, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang mahalin mo lang ako ng buo, ibibigay ko sa iyo buong puso ko. Rar. Admin Colette, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang bata man ako sa inyong paningin at pandinig, ako'y cute pa din. Admin Bambam, nag-iiwan ng kasabihang kung mamahalin mo ako, gusto ko yung seryoso at 100% totoo.
This BGM officially by the Royal Family in the Mix.
This BGM officially by the Royal Family Production in Wayak Apps Community Philippines.
And followed by the members, Miss Tiger Look, Mr. Kabila, Miss Babaerong mga lalaki, Miss White, Mr. Black, Mr. General Kamote, Miss Jensky, Miss Taffy, Mr. Clark, Mr. Kamandag, Mr. Ralph, Miss Aloka, Mr. Fahad, Mr. Chinito, Mr. Pasaway, Miss Yumi, Miss Cute, Miss Yilin, and last but not the least, Mr. Mayor. Again, these are all the members and admins of the Royal Family in Wayak Community, Philippines.
Now listen closely.
Hunters and Dashers is coming. The royal family is waving. Roar. Roar. The royal family, ihanda nyo na ang unlimited lucky bag. At i-lucky bag nyo na yan. Roar. Roar.
We are number one. DJ, you are on the limit.
The royal family, ihanda nyo na ang unlimited lucky bag. At i-lucky bag nyo na yan. Roar.
Officially by the Royal Family Productions.
The royal family, nagsasabing papasok ka ng matino, lalabas ka naman ng sinto-sinto. Rar! Rar!
This BGM officially by the royal family in the mix. Royal family in the mix. Royal family in the mix.
The royal family, ihanda nyo ang unlimited lucky bag. At i-lucky bag nyo na yan. Roar! Roar! The royal family, the official BGM in Guaya, Philippines.
We are number one.